Hello everyone, it's Yuri. Did you know that, according to Pressy, typhoons clean the environment effectively, removing pollutants from the air, rivers, and coastal waters of the country? Now, let's talk about the types of weather disturbances. But first, what are weather disturbances? Weather disturbance is a change in any atmospheric condition or weather pattern. It may bring about heavy rains, floods, and strong winds, causing severe weather conditions and sometimes cause casualties. According to the World Meteorological Organization, some of the most frequently occurring weather disturbances throughout the world are tropical cyclones, hurricanes, cyclones, thunderstorms, and tornadoes. These are also referred to as natural disasters. A tornado is a whirling funnel-shaped windstorm which often develops from a thunderstorm. Examples are tropical depression, tropical storm, and typhoon. Hurricane is the most destructive storm in America and in the areas in the Atlantic Ocean and Eastern Pacific Ocean. But when the hurricane occurs in the South Pacific Ocean or the Indian Ocean or in the Southern Hemisphere, it is called a cyclone. Thunderstorm is a dangerous weather disturbance localized by a storm, characterized by heavy rains that produce thunder and lightning. The Philippines is prone to tropical cyclones due to its geographical location. That's why we experience typhoons all year round. Now, let's tackle how typhoons are formed. A typhoon forms when winds blow into the areas of the ocean where the water is warm. These winds collect moisture and rise while cold air moves in below. This creates pressure which causes the wind to move very quickly. The winds rotate or spin around a center called an eye. The more warm air and moisture there is, the more intense the wind. When typhoons occur any time of the year, the condition is most likely to be right for them to happen between May to November. There are intense masses of wind that bring heavy rain and thunderstorms over an area which is called bagyo. The Philippine Atmospheric, Geophysical, and Astronomical Services Administration is an agency under the Department of Science and Technology which provides real-time updates about the public storm warning signal when a tropical cyclone enters or moves towards the Philippine area of responsibility. One of the most powerful tropical cyclones ever recorded that hit the Philippines, particularly in the Visayas region, is the Typhoon Haiyan, known as Super Typhoon Yolanda. On making landfall, Haiyan devastated Tacloban on November 8, 2013. Typhoon Yolanda brought strong winds and heavy rains, resulting in flooding, great damage to crops, houses and buildings, and even death. It followed with the Super Typhoon Odette in 2021, which made landfall on Siargao Island. Although Typhoon Odette is not as powerful as Typhoon Yolanda, Typhoon Odette's damage is comparable to one of the most destructive storms to hit the Philippines. That's all. Hope that this short video will give knowledge to everyone about the weather disturbances and typhoons. Keep safe and God bless.